Girly girl goes camping.
He's got the real drama for your vlog.
Hey everyone, my name is Lindsay Murray. Welcome back to my channel. I am a 21-year-old college lifestyle, fashion, beauty, chronic illness YouTuber. That pretty much sums me up, but for today's video it is going to be a weekend in my life because I am going camping. So I haven't gone camping in a hot second and it's going to be so much fun, so I'm so excited to bring you all along with me. I think there's 8 of us total going. It is a little bit after 12 right now. It's about 12:30 right now, so I'm about to eat lunch and then finish getting my stuff together, and then I will be heading over to my friend Kristen's. So you all know Kristen and Alex. This camping trip is with them and some other people as well. So before we get into this video, don't forget to stop what you're doing and subscribe to join the Famurray, and don't forget to turn on that bell so that you know whenever I upload. So let's just get right on into this video. If you're wondering what I'm wearing right now in my hair, I'm wearing my Irresistible Me hair extensions. I love them so much. It's been a while since I've worn them, so I wanted to put them in for a little bit and just feel like a princess. Yeah, my dress is from Dolls Kill. My extensions are Irresistible Me hair extensions. I have a discount code down below if you're interested in these hair extensions, and my headband is from Amazon. My earrings are these little diamond earrings my girlfriend got me, so yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start to like pack the rest of my stuff. So this is the bag that I'm bringing on the trip. So I'm packing very light, but I'm packed prepared. So I have like a pair of jeans, I have a long sleeve shirt, I have leggings, a hat, I have a lantern, I have my medicine, I have a portable charger so I can keep my phone charged. I don't know, I'm packing pretty light. I have bug spray over here, but this is just a little bag. This is really old actually, but I love the little roses on it, so it's kind of cottagecore vibey, so I'm packing in this because I don't want to pack in my good Louis duffel. So yeah, we are packing in this since I am going camping. It's not glamping, but it'll still be a good time. Where's my kitty? There's Lulu. Hi, baby. This is the bag that I'm bringing. It's just my little Louis side bag with my car keys on it. So this is just what I'm bringing. This is the only like bougie thing I'm bringing. But yeah, that with that. And I already have a sleeping bag, a hammock, and a chair in my trunk of my car. So I'm already pretty prepared with what I gotta bring and stuff. I feel good. I feel good. I'm excited to go camping. Okay, I am actually in my like camping outfit now. But basically, Ariana Grande just released a song called Positions, and I'm obsessed with it. Ah! Oh my god, it's such a good song, and it's a bop, and I am obsessed with it. So I have my phone, my wallet, my bag, and my little sweatshirt. So this is all that I've got to bring. Let me show you my outfit. So I'm just wearing Topshop leggings with some pink Nike shoes, and then I'm just wearing this gray top with a white lacy bralette. And I am ready to go. Ah, let's go camping. I'm gonna quickly pack up my little cooler that I'm bringing. All right, now my cooler's packed, now I'm actually ready to go. You know what time it is. Good boy, you're so cute. Ready, spin? Good boy, sit. Pop. Good boy, here you go. I love you. Goodbye. I love you. Hello, Princess Mobile. Ready for a ride? Woohoo! Let's do it. So I'm at a red light right now, but I am now en route. I am on my way to Kristen's house. Are we ready for camping?
We are.
I'm so
Packing,
excited.
getting ready to go.
Yes, we are loading up. Right now we're figuring out parking with all the cars. It's exciting.
Hello.
Drive safe, everybody. Farewell. Me and Kristen are en route to camping.
We're almost here.
I'm getting a phone call from Alex. Hold on. Hello.
They're like, are you guys stopping at that shit place?
Yeah, we are. We are, and
Frankie and
Michael's car.
Okay, we like also Natalie, because Natalie said it was very past that.
Okay.
We're like,
We're here! Yay! This is our little campsite. This is what it looks like. We got one over there, and we got one over here. Woot woot! This is cute. This is gonna be fun. I can feel it. I like this. It is kind of private. We are staking the tent down so that it doesn't blow away. Me and Kristen are sharing this nice big tent, so I'm very excited. Welcome to my crib.
Welcome to my crib. This is the front entrance. Dumb boys that can't figure out their tent. Oh wait, there's MTV Cribs.
MTV Cribs, show me your crib.
I stared. No, Lindsay, come on.
Oh, I have to go under too.
Okay. So, this is the kitchen.
Okay.
Over here.
Yes,
This
love
is the
it.
living room. If we want to, we can separate into 2 rooms, but it's a
Ooh,
little much. There's
there you
2
go.
doors, you know? That's where exactly. Lindsay, look, come in here. You can see the sunroof.
Oh,
night.
oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Got the mood. You ready for some camping?
Yes. And that's it.
Beautiful, amazing. I love your crib. Me and Kristen just blew up our air mattress at the neighbors, and so now we're carrying the air mattress.
Oh yeah.
They were so sweet. They let us use their outlet so that we could plug up the air mattress so it could.
Cheaters. Literal cheating, Kristen. It's like a pool too.
I'm sad.
And we'll be cuddling tonight.
We got the air mattress all in the tent, and Kristen's bags are over there, and mine are over here. And yeah, this is our little tent. And we got the fire started. We got the grill. Parkour. Me and Kristen are glamping tonight with our air mattress.
Oh, that one and that one?
Yeah, we're not. We gotta get our good sleep on.
Yeah. We've got Chef Alex over here. We're making tacos. I whipped out my little pink lantern. We are cooking the meat.
Are you making the other half too?
Yeah, you should. We're going to sleep. Good night from night 1.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Mwah. Good morning, Famurray. It is about 8:30 a.m. and we just woke up. Once we fell asleep, we slept well. It's like drizzling right now a little bit, but we're nice and cozy and dry.
And we love the sound of rain on the tent.
It's so peaceful. It's very relaxing. But today the game plan is to go hiking. Ooh, So
It'll be super fun.
it'll be so fun.
Keep
So
you posted.
we will, and I'll vlog breakfast too.
Yay!
We're gonna be cooking some eggs. So we gotta wait for everyone to wake up first.
See you in a little bit.
See you soon. So for my day 2 outfit of the day, I'm just wearing this shirt from Pink, and then I'm wearing my white bralette, and I'm wearing leggings from Pink as well. So, and then I'm wearing my pink Nike tennis shoes. So, this is the outfit for the day. We're cooking breakfast now. We've got Michael, our designated egg cracker, over here. Amazing. I love your technique. Beautiful. That's so cool. I've never seen that before.
Neither have I. It's in the closet.
Fancy. Breakfast of champions.
Oh yeah. Michael, say hi.
We are on a little hike right now.
Yay!
Yes, it's so pretty. All the pretty leaves.
Look at these ones too. These don't have like the gravel.
I know. Leaves. They're so pretty.
Such a pretty view.
Look at that tree. Yeah. That's cool. It's pretty here. I really like this park.
I do. We should come back again.
I'm down. 100%.
Camping crew.
Why are we going so We got that crew and the fun crew. It's really pretty though. It is a pretty hike.
2 seconds. I run. I still
For sure. I know, I'm already out of breath. Patsy life. I already took my salt tabs though, so those will help. Just smack it.
Push it down.
No, then it's gonna be mushy.
That's really cutting into it like a cheesecake.
No, leave it on there.
Kind of is a cheesecake.
I feel like it's like.
Who wants a corner of mac and
though.
cheese? Oh my god.
Okay, well this mac and cheese.
How many goes?
Do you see this?
Do you see this?
I made it.
Maybe that's why it looks like this.
You know what? No.
It doesn't even look like mac and cheese on camera.
You know what, Lindsay? We're roughing it. Actually. Oh.
We're playing catchphrase. Are we ready, team?
See, none of them care. So
We're against them.
Oh, okay.
Iced tea, Lipton iced tea.
Tea. A specific type of tea is, it's like plant-based.
Black tea.
It's like plant-based.
Green tea.
Oh,
There's another word for failing.
long down.
You listen to music with these
Headphones?
Yes.
Stop sign.
In a building, what you're surrounded by signs.
Doors? Walls?
Yes. Roasting some marshmallows.
I broke a stick in the marshmallow. Yeah.
Oh, I made that one.
And we got it on footage.
Big sexy! Hey, you don't cut through my film ever again. Hey, what's up, Joe? What's up, Donnie? Last night, would you like to say any words? I'm vlogging right now. Any words about any words about your actions over on campsite number 15? No? Nothing at all? How about you, big sexy?
Dude, I was asleep.
Alex, would you like to talk about your night last night?
Joe and Alex.
Yeah, Joe and Alex, you too.
Frankie's got the real drama for your vlog.
How about we talk about you, Frankie? What did you do last night?
Honestly,
What did you do last night, Frankie?
Like a
I will. I so will.
Alex?
Yeah.
Alex, can you just give me a comment on last night? Would you please comment on the matter? Please comment on the matter.
We have wood. So that's what the restrooms look like. Hello.
It's like 6:45 and it's freezing.
It's so cold. I'm in my mummy bag. I'm wearing a sweatshirt on top of a sweatshirt with my hat on. That's why it looks like that.
It's so cold.
It's so cold. We're about to cuddle because it's so freaking
It's
cold.
so cold.
I'm packing up my sleeping bag right now because we are leaving. But it's okay because it was a fun trip. And it was so cold last night. We're deflating the air mattress right now.
The hardest job.
The hardest part.
Just chilling. I cannot wait to see this video.
It'll be cute. We're all leaving now. The camping trip's over.
It was so fun.
It was so fun. You can see how red my nose is. It's cold. It's so cold.
Let's roll.
Let's roll.
We're filming the end of
We're
the
rolling.
vlog.
Goodbye. Alright everyone, well I am back home now, cozy and comfy, but that is it for this camping vlog. I really hope that you all enjoyed coming along with me and my friends on a camping weekend. That is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, comment below any video requests, and don't forget to stop what you're doing and subscribe to join the Famurray. I will see you all in my next video. Love you. Bye. Mwah.